Okay, so today we are doing our test on rocks, minerals, and the changes on Earth. So we'll start with minerals and identifying them. So the way light reflects off the surface of a mineral is called good. The color a mineral leaves behind on a white plate is called a no. So the color it leaves behind on a plate. You run it on a plate. Streak. Okay. The way a mineral splits apart is called
cleaver.
Yes. Okay. So now I'm talking about the types of rocks. What are the 3 types of rocks?
Two types of rock is Eero rock, seven rock, and metamorphic rock.
Okay. And what type of rock do we find fossils in?
Seven rock.
Okay. Sedimentary. How are igneous rocks formed?
Igneous rocks from when melt rocks are cool and hard.
Good. Okay. And can you give an example of an igneous rock?
Granite.
Good. And how are sedimentary rocks formed?
Sedimentary rocks from when sediment rest directly tonight.
Okay, good. And can you give me an example of a sedimentary rock?
Limestone.
Good. Okay, and how are metamorphic rocks formed?
Metamorphic rocks from by heat and pressure to change to another rock.
Good, okay. And can you give me an example of a metamorphic rock?
Marble.
Yes, so marble. Yeah, good. Okay, so now we talk about slow changes on Earth. So what are the 2 types of weathering?
2 types of weathering is physical weathering and chemical weathering.
Good. And what is required, so talking about chemical weathering, what is required for rust to form?
Oxygen, water, and iron.
Good. And what are some examples of landforms?
Mountain, hill, winding river, and beach.
Okay. A large, thick sheet of ice that slowly moves across land is called a
glacier.
A deep, narrow valley with steep sides is called a
canyon.
A hill formed by sand blown by the wind is called a
sandbank.
The Earth's crust is made up of large, so now we're talking about fast changes on Earth. So we'll start with earthquakes. So the Earth's crust is made up of large slabs of rock called
tectonic plate.
Good. A place where plates meet along a crack is called
fault.
Okay. Try saying it again.
Fault.
Fault. So what causes an earthquake?
Earthquake is a moment in the Earth crust caused by sudden shift on the event.
Yeah, good. And what can an earthquake cause?
Tsunami and volcano.
So talking about volcanoes. Magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called
lava.
Good. The opening in a volcano is called a
vent.
Good. An opening in the Earth's surface where lava comes through is called
hot spot.
Good. So now I'm talking about landslides, mudslides, and floods. What is a landslide?
A landslide is a quick downhill movement of a loose rock.
Good. And what can cause a landslide?
Earthquake, storm with heavy rain.
And what is the difference between a flood watch and a flood warning?
The difference is fruit watch is always big, always fruit watch is always food warning is always after fruit watch.
Yes, good. Okay, very good.